In this question, you have to identify the name of the scientist who proposed the principle of competitive exclusion. Option A, MacArthur. It is incorrect because he is known for his work on resource partitioning and niche differentiation. Option B, Warholst and Pearl. It is also incorrect because they contributed to population dynamics and are known for the logistic growth equation. Option C. Darwin. Now, Darwin's work laid the foundation for evolutionary biology, but he did not state the principle of competitive exclusion. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, G.F. Gause. Now, he proposed the competitive exclusion principle, also known as Gauss's law, which states that two species competing for the same limited resources cannot coexist indefinitely. Hence, it is the correct option.